Hey guys, it's Susanna with T-Mobile. Today, I'm here to unbox the new Motorola Moto E in 90 seconds. So let's get into it. First, you'll see the new Moto E. Let's check out some of its key features. The Moto E features a 6.2-inch Max Vision HD Plus screen with a 5-megapixel selfie cam. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide LTE network. On the back, the Moto E has a 13-megapixel dual camera system and a fingerprint sensor. It has a long-lasting 3,550 mAh battery and even has a 3.5mm audio jack. Inside the box, you'll find a T-Mobile SIM card, SIM pin, quick start guide, microSD charging cable, and wall charger. Now the Moto E runs Android 10 out of the box, has 2GB of RAM, and 32GB of storage with a microSD card slot, expandable up to 512GB. The Motorola Moto E is now available from T-Mobile. And it looks like I'm about out of time, so for more information check out tmobile.com. This has been Susanna for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.